deciding to commit is really one of the greatest thrills in surfing that I've found.
The first award they presented was the Monster Tube of the Year. In the end, it was Ken Skindog Collins and Coco Nogales from Puerto Escondido with the giant monster tube they rode at Playa Zicatela. The next award they present is the girl's best overall performance in honor of the girl who's out there giving it her best and charging the hardest throughout the entire year. This year, the award is presented to Maya Gabiera from Brazil. It's really great to see girls out there charging too these days. I can honestly say that there's no other girl that's come along who goes for it with the heart and soul that she does. This year, Garrett McNamara paddled into the biggest wave with an absolute monster that he caught up at Mavericks in Half Moon Bay, California. And then came the moment that I had been waiting for, the biggest wave of the year. I, together with my partner Grant Twiggy Baker, successfully towed into a monster down off Cape Town in South Africa. It, along with 4 other nominees, waves ridden by Alfie Carter from West Australia, Alistair Kraft from Santa Cruz, California, and Damon Eastoe from West Australia, along with another good friend, Andrew Marr, who also rode a wave at Dungeons the same day Twiggy and I did, comprised the total 5 nominees for the biggest wave of the year. But deep down, I really want to win this.
Escondido is a place that I've been coming to for about 8 years straight now. And it's almost like I feel I'm coming home when I get here. Because every year I generally stay a couple of months and really get into a rhythm with the place.
Life can be unkind, so if you're making up your mind, make it for the good.
Alright, the winner of the 2007 Bodong XXL Biggest Wave Award was Greg.
I need some elevation, summertime. I need some